Here we are. My name is Diego LeBaron with All Drywall and Paint. We are just going to be hanging this stairway. Just going to be walking you guys through it. You know, we need to get our measurements. Staple that thing on. We put a lot of staple on these things to make sure they hold properly. But yeah, I sure hope you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys can learn something here. And pretty straightforward, at least that's what I think, being that I do this I've done it a billion times, and yeah, things you do a lot seem pretty straightforward, but to the naked eye it seems a little more complex. So that's why we're here, just talking to you, trying to keep you entertained so you don't get too bored. Just messing. Yeah, we don't really use measuring tapes on these. We just kind of put the corner bead up and cut it as it needs to be cut. Seems a lot quicker there than to constantly be pulling out a measuring tape. Right there, the bead was a little bit bent in. Had to bend it out. You can kind of see it right there a little bit, but no big deal. Once we apply pressure, it should open up and straighten out. Yeah, just more staple. I always get crap on how much staples I put in my bead, but it's either too much staples or the wrong bead or the wrong way. Some people appreciate it though, especially the homeowners when they're not cracking out. And life is good up here in the north, Fargo, North Dakota. What am I doing over here, you're wondering? Well, I wonder that same thing. But here we are. Y'all should comment down below. Where are you guys from? Where do you guys do work out of? Get some measurements. Make sure it's flush. We'll get our measurement there. Boom. We go to cut and wait, what? Huh? What the heck happened here? Yeah, not sure why I did that. Literally just feel like I wasted my life. That was so pointless. It's all good. I wonder if the bead was bent. I can't remember. Looks like, if you look down there, it looks like it's a little bent, so that's probably why I flipped it around. And that's that, ladies and gentlemen.